on my mama, on my hood. I look fly. I look good.
Then dip me underway. You know my first love, hold me till I scream for every. And wash me over until my will runs dry. And all your sins all over me, baby, right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby.
I'm weak. My friend just posted on his story today's affirmations on my mama, on my hood. I look fly. I look good. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, you couldn't. I'm getting ready to head to the gym. You know, I had actually really a lot of fun filming my last like workout with me type of a vlog, so I am going to do another. So here we are. I am just switching my bags from my Gymshark bag back to a Vooray bag, and I just realized you could like clamp down the sides, making it more square. So like now it's 10 times cuter to me than it was like huge and all big, like tote size. Like this is the gym bag of the century. Like you can't tell me otherwise. Like I'm about to go change my jacket, so like my gym bag can match better. But actually this is cute. We got the blue, whatever blue this is, slate blue, I don't know, baby blue, with this, and then this with the brown of me. Like it just goes. Like you can't tell.
We do not care.
I'll wait. This is cute. I probably look like a worm guy when I go to edit this. I'm like, why'd you think this was cute, Tyra? This pose and everything. Like, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling. You see me? You see me? Ah. Let me double check what my workout is fully today. So I think today I'm just gonna hit a little bit of full body. I've been trying to get better at hitting more parts and muscle groups on my body versus kind of like the same. So I really don't need anything today. These are my favorite. Okay, so the bag is all packed. Now I'm going to go ahead and make my pre-workout drink. So you'll need a shaker. I have this little blender frother thing, but if you don't have that, then a ball will do just fine, or even if you put some ice in there, that'll help break up the product. I need some water. So I'm gonna mix this first with my sour gummy pre-workout from Bloom. You can see that now. So we're gonna do, I did a half scoop in my water the other day, oops, and just chugged it before I left. But today I'm gonna do a full scoop, and this is about the size of which theirs looks like. So not too big, not too small. And then I'm also gonna go in with a scoop of the almighty greens. Love, love, love. And their scoop looks like that. I feel like I'm spilling product all over, but I'm just gonna give that a mixer-oo. So wonderful stack this morning. Definitely love, oh, I just realized I left that thing in there. But this is the mix. Nice kiwi strawberry looking vibes. And we know it's gonna get real crazy looking. Now I'm gonna throw some ice in here and then just shake the rest, since I accidentally left that ball in there and I don't wanna mess up that blender thing or anything. We cannot have that. Give her a nice little shaky tosseroo. I'm actually really loving Bloom's greens because I have the originals. They have lime as well as a coconut one, I think I mentioned before, but the original one is even like really good. Like I ain't gonna say it's juicy or nothing like that, but it definitely doesn't taste like The other day, Tran had on his story how he was saying like, you know, all these greens be tasting like, and he stopped and he was like, grass. And I was like, facts. Like, it really do. Like, hands down, I've tried Women's Best greens. I've tried Alani's greens, Bloom, Ghost Protein or Ghost Lifestyles greens, and then just like another off-brand green and red combo. And I'm liking this a lot better, and I'm not lying. Like, it really is, especially the Ghost ones. Like, I love Ghost, like working with them or them being able to send me stuff, but it was just like, I can't back this because it's like, I really don't like it. But like this, like, I'm a fan. It's a vibe, get into it. Like, I'm ready to go now. Like, let's go to that. Look. Who is she? She's getting her life together. She's working out. She's looking cute. Like, I'm ready. Anyways, I am pretty much ready for the gym. I am gonna turn off my lights in my bathroom. But yeah, definitely. So we finally made it to the gym. I would like to first disclaim I am not CPT or anything like that. I just like to work out and share my workouts with you guys. So definitely give this video a thumbs up if you want more. So let's get into it. We're gonna go ahead and start this workout with a superset. I had no idea, no game plan going into the gym today. I just knew I wanted to move and use my whole body. So starting this off with some half Turkish get-ups. We're following that directly up with walking lunges. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab a heavy dumbbell. I think I went to about 65 pounds and go ahead and finish the superset off with some sumo squats. Moving on to our next couple of exercises, I decided to do some kneeling face pulls. I prefer to do them kneeling because I'm a little bit taller, so I feel like range of motion is better for me personally. I followed this up with some dead hangs, and as you can see, I literally had to bend my legs a little bit, which I don't like to, but bend my legs a bit so my feet don't touch the ground. Okay, last time I'm coming to talk on this voiceover thing, I promise, but we're finishing this workout with some shoulder press right into some bicep curls with the easy bar, and then I finished this off with a handful of goblet squats. I think I did only 2 sets of these, but I made sure that they were higher rep, and that's all she wrote. Enjoy the workout. Y'all, the gym was fun, but I'm leaving all day right now, and I need to just do a quick mini haul of the things that I got. So I love their like stackers thing, because to me it tastes better than the Pringles. I said it did taste better than the Pringles, and it's only 95 cents at Aldi's. So ingredients wise, I don't know the difference. I don't really care, because at this point, if I'm eating Pringles, it's for the taste. And baby, look, these Clancy's ones taste 10 times better than like Pringles. And then I got these earth-grown, vegan, meat-free, chickenless tenders. I literally got these for the first time yesterday, and basically, gee, I can't even like see the screen, but basically I ate almost the whole box. Not really, but like half of the box, which I think one box is 3.5 servings. So I already ate like most of the box, you know what I'm saying? So just wanted to re-up on these. Again, not eating meat. These are really good. This makes me question those chicken nuggets that we ate in like school and growing up, because it tastes like those. So I'm like, those probably wasn't even meat. We all probably grew up vegan and didn't even know it because they didn't want to feed us actual food. And then this macaroni, I'm not a huge fan of microwavable foods like this, but I'm trying to get thick, okay? I'm trying to get thick. You could probably like bake this in the oven if you wanted to. Probably not, honestly, but 3-4 minutes in the microwave is perfect. I do like 3 minutes 45 because I don't know, I wanted it a little crispy. I'm now seeing it says 6 minutes, so what I read the other day that said 3 makes me question. It still was good the other day. And then I got a avocado as well for I don't know why I got this because it's literally just one avocado. So I personally don't know why I got this. I'm thinking like maybe for pasta or something later today. I do need to go to Walmart and grab some eggs and things like that, so maybe I'll do eggs, that, a bagel, the everything bagel, with PB and jelly, like grape jelly, toasted, like the bagel is toasted, then you spread that on there so it's like warm and melty, y'all, to die for. And that's a quick way to carb up, I guess, if you needed to. Let's see, I don't know, but I have a busy day, so I was like, let me just grab this so I don't have to like stop and like destroy my whole kitchen just to like do that, because I want to get some stuff done. I'm not gonna post on Instagram today because Instagram is not my favorite right now. I'm over that app, to be honest. I'm not trying to speak any negativity towards it because that app has provided me a lot of blessings and opportunity itself, but I feel like it's God's sign telling me like, yo, like you are made for so much more than just this app. Stop limiting yourself to just this app that could disappear at any moment. Like, some of y'all really base your worth off of the numbers that you have at the top of your Instagram like thing or whatever, because I feel like most people have Instagram, or like I guess a TikTok. But it's just like, what if that app all of a sudden just was like illegal or like got shut down? I realized how crooked my camera is. We pretend that the last 5 minutes was a cricket. But like, what if that happens? Like, I challenge you seriously to figure out what this is why it's important to know your worth. Figure out who you are outside of a platform or anything like that, outside of things that could be literally you have no control over, low-key. Like, oh, I post every day, blah, blah, blah. But what you gonna post to if somebody like all the way up wherever decides to cancel the app? Where's your worth at then? Where's your value at then? Because a lot of you guys associate your worth and value with what you have on these platforms, and that's not it. What if these platforms were taken away? Who would you be? And I really hope I'm saying that right, because I'm really not trying to say that like in an offensive manner or anything like that, but I just really want people or you to think about that, because it's just like, y'all really, I say we, because shoot, sometimes it do be like that, but I'm understanding to differentiate and actually live a life versus chasing a carrot my whole life. Like, I can't do that. And you really, we in this together. We gotta think. I'm just bringing perspective to the table because I didn't think about this a long time ago, but I also try not to associate my worth in that. I could go on for years, but I'm not. I'm gonna go upstairs and cook my lunch and enjoy the rest of my day. Yeah, anyways, just think about that. If your worth is valued and tied up in a platform, or the number that you have on the top of your screen makes you feel more valuable or not, or less maybe. Ew, my hands are so gross. Then really put in perspective, or start working on and continuously work on, because just because you are working on that or more aware of, you know, maybe that perspective, you have to continuously work on yourself. There's never really a stopping point in this life. As long as you're breathing and walking and whatever, then you have to continuously be working on yourself and your growth journey as well. And just really ask yourself who you are, or to your core, honestly, outside of these platforms. Yes, you can be as transparent as possible, but like still, like, what are you? If these platforms was gone today, like, who are you? Think about it. Hang it back to me. I'm gonna go eat. So this morning I actually didn't get the chance to read, and I've really been trying to be avid about my reading and just like the intake. I did read some articles on my phone earlier, but between me and you, that stressed my eyes out so bad. I was like, not me being 85, going on 27, about to be 85. Can't read a screen. I've been trying to read every day for at least 15 minutes. That was one of my goals as a part of my revamp, taking things up a notch, leveling it up, you know, whatever. So yeah, and I'm really trying to expand my vocabulary as well. So I'm gonna read for 15 minutes and then I'll catch you guys cleaning or something.
It's only a dream. It's how I feel. You deserve better than me.
Okay, so this is the final product of that stir fry. That was just like a teriyaki type stir fry sauce that I added into it. But I'm gonna smash this and vibe for a little bit, finish straightening it up, and then I'll catch you guys after a while. It's literally 11:30 at night now, so definitely checking in with you guys a lot later. But I finished cleaning, just the usual whatever. So that food put me out just about, but I definitely finished my YouTube video. Literally about to edit the words on my thumbnail for that video to get that up tomorrow. But we have made it to the end of the vlog and the end of the night. Thank you guys for spending the day with me. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more. So without further ado, I am going to get some Z's, this is the first night I'm even in bed before midnight, so this is great. So thank you guys again, and I'll catch you in my next video.